Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show how to add fingerprint lock in WhatsApp. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started the video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application. From the right corner, click on three dots. Then go to Settings. After that, go to Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the App Lock option. Once you find it, just go to this option. And here you will see one option called Unlock with Biometric. Just enable it. Before that, make sure you have already added fingerprint lock on your device. To add App Lock, just enable it. Now here, just use your finger to add fingerprint lock. Then from here, you can choose when it should be locked. Immediately after exit from app, or 1 minute, or 30 minutes after. Suppose I choose here immediately. Now if I exit from the WhatsApp and immediately try to open it again, it will ask me finger lock. So friends, this is how you can secure your WhatsApp account by adding fingerprint. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching this video.